What I'm going to be showing you today is how to take an assignment from Canvas and put it into a different media or medium, and then after that resubmit it to Canvas. So for example, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you have to click on an assignment in Canvas, notice there's upcoming assignments here, and you can just click on the link right here for the assignment, or you could actually just click assignments, and if you do that, it's going to bring up an assignment that you have. So I'm going to go ahead and click here now. Notice that it says Fact Practice Test, and then right here there's a link. So I'm going to click on that link, and when I do that, notice that here's the assignment that I want you to complete. Right here there's a share button. You click on that share button, or you tap on it, and then you have an option here, and notice that the option that comes up for you is Notability. So you want to tap on Notability. Then after that, you want to hit Create New Note. So you create a new note, and then you want to hit Import. Okay? And then the first step has been completed properly. You've sent the file to Notability. Okay, so here's the assignment that I downloaded from Canvas, and I've been working on my facts. And let's say that I've got a time limit. So I'm only allowed to do this for a certain amount of time, and my time is officially up. So once I'm done, what I'm going to do is right here in the top left corner, there's the share button. You want to tap on that, and then notice that Google Drive is one of the options that comes up. You want to hit Google Drive. Right where it says Format, you want to make sure that's set to a PDF. After that, you want to hit Send to Google Drive. Now notice it says Working. Once it's finished, the screen will go back to normal just as it was. Then you're going to end up going back to Canvas now. Okay, so now I'm back in Canvas, and I'm going to click on the assignment again. Notice that it has Submit Assignment. I've already submitted this once, but I can resubmit. Now what I do is I go right here to Google Doc. So I click on Google Doc. I find the file that I'm going to submit, and then I hit Submit Assignment. Notice it says Uploading Submission, and then if it says Assignment Successfully Submitted, you're finished. And that's how you take an assignment from Canvas, put it into a different type of app like Notability, and then resubmit it back to Canvas.